Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can deploy a website on Netlify step by step, and it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So you just need to log into your account first of all, and once you are logged in, now you can deploy your profile. So we will take help from ChatGPT to create our hello world text in HTML. So give me an HTML code with CSS design. Give me an HTML simple table code with CSS design, and let's see, they will provide us a couple of design. So now we will open VS Code over here. So just click this one and it will completely open here. So I will create a project. So I will click on here and I will click open folder or new window for me, and then I'll remove this one, don't save, and then here you can see. So I will click and folder, new file here. Text file will be index.html, and let's say it's well done, index.html, and just hit enter, and here you can see our file already been created. So I will copy the code from that place, so it will take a couple of minutes. So I will copy this one. Let's we just need to create our website. Once we're done, we will come back here again. So already we did our work. Now you can check our index file. It is looking something like this, and now I just want to deploy this file. So how we can do it? We just need to come over that place. Once I come over here, you just need to click over here and deploy manually, and here you can see we have the option drag and drop your project output folder here, or browse to upload. Just click this one and then go to the download, and here we just need to create the folder first. So I will come over here and I will make a folder that will be custom HTML, and then I will input the code over that place, and now I will go over here and you can drag and drop this one. It's so much easy. Please don't refresh, they are giving us this message, so we just need to keep patient. So how much time it will take, we are not to know, so we just need to keep patient. And this is the link. Just if I visit here, now eventually you can see our website already been deployed. This is the easiest way. Now you can check this out as it you want. This is the easiest way to deploy website with Netlify. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.